Hello, welcome again. My name is Anthonypyzon. So in my last video, so many people were sending me message on WhatsApp asking me that they didn't understand how or what I did on deploying websites on heroku. So today I will going to explain it in details. So watch carefully and listen attentively. So step one, see what are you going to do? I have stated all the details. So I will copy and paste, but I will leave everything and description. You understand? So what I'm going to do now is that I will, okay, let's go. First of all, you have to run all this command here. You understand? So first we have to run this one first. This one from here to here to npm install g heroku. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so first apt update. Although I've run all these commands, but I will start afresh so that you out there will understand what I mean and how I did it before, because I did not show all these things in my past video. I believe this one is going to take a little bit longer, but I will not pause it. Let's wait and see how everything goes. I have enough time, I think. Yes, I have enough time. Okay, done, because I have already updated it, but they say that two packages were updated in 75.804 seconds. Okay, that's good. Now we have to log into heroku. This one is second step. Yeah, second step. Yeah. So you have to log into heroku. Okay. And create new app. Okay, let me call it anthonypyzon. Okay. Now the command we're going to run is almost the same as the one they show us here. They say deploy using heroku, so that's what we are using. Heroku, sorry, not kit, JIT. Understand, with what's that name? Tamwes, yes. So that's it. So what we're going to do here is that we are going to, okay, anthonypyzon. This should be anthonypyzon. Yes. Then we're going to copy everything that is here and paste it here, which is heroku login, then cd stroke sdcard stroke folder name where my index, my templates are. So but I don't have any template, but okay, let me use this one. Let me go to my file manager and create a new folder. The name should be okay, testing is good. Then which file will I going to use as index? Okay. Then let me copy this testing. Then name it to index.php. Yes. Should I do any little touching on it? No. Okay, why doing so? Let me move both the CSS, everything with them. So Let me copy them so that the CSS will show. Everything will show. But I'm going to do a little bit touching on the index.php I made. So let me open here. Testing, no. Testing, yeah. Okay, I think I'm done. Let me save it and we'll continue. So folder name should be testing. Yeah, so let's log in to our org first. I'm going to put everything in description, both the file I use as an example. So I'm going to put everything. Okay, it requires VPN, so let me on my VPN and log in again. I'm going to make another video after this one, which will be part 3. Then I will not do much talking, I will just deploy straight through. No much talking, just deploy. That one will be, I think it might not be up to 5 minutes video. So this one I'm explaining it so that everyone will understand it. Okay, logged in. So let's go to, this sdcard stroke testing is the call on the file, the folder. Here on heroku they did not explain it, so yeah, they made it so that if you look straight, you will think that just cd my project. So many people are having difficulty on this cd my project. So many people are having difficulty on it. So but using that cd slash sdcard slash your project name stored on your phone memory, because you store it on your phone memory. So then we copy and paste without doing much talking. Okay, copy and paste it again. Yes. So if you get any error like that, what you will do is copy paste it. Okay, what we do is copy and paste it. Again, then it will clear. Okay, so make it happen, make it better. Let's just forget about that one. They are warning me because I have already included a folder which is in the same one I'm deploying, so that's why they gave me that warning. So it's deploying. Okay, we are done. You see, successful, done. Verifying deploy. So look at my address, yeah, such as the one that is already here. When you go to settings, this one, so let's just click it from here. You see, yeah, just says working perfectly. Okay, I think this is the end of what we have to discuss today about this heroku installing, deploying on websites. Once again, sorry for my bad English. Thank you.